This is a $10 product that I shot on my phone on my kitchen counter with terrible lighting, and by the end of this video it's going to look like this. The kind of ad that brain pays an agency thousands of dollars for, but in this video with no photographer, no studio and no design team, just me and one single AI tool. Let me show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can also do it on your own product today. Here's the thing that nobody tells small business owners is that your product might be great, but if your photos look cheap, people will definitely go ahead and scroll away. I have learned this the hard way because I was an entrepreneur. I was selling on Shopify back in 2016 like fidget spinner, and my camera was very bad because I had an Android phone. So once I switched up to an iPhone, that just changed completely because I had way more better images that I could basically show listings and the world. The old way is pretty expensive because you have to hire a photographer, book it from a studio, pay a designer to retouch everything, and wait a week for the results. Now, most of us nowadays run a business solo and just cannot do that. So we settle for photos on a phone that don't really convert. That's the problem I'm solving today. And with this tool that is called Lovart, it's basically an AI design agent that's built for exactly this. And I'm also going to be linking it down below in the description. So this is my real starting point. As you guys can see, you look at it, it has a messy background, flat lighting, and the project's off center. And this is generally what I would have posted like a year ago. And I'm going to drop this exact photo into Lovart and we're going to fix it from there live. Alright, so let's upload our file. I do have the file which is right here with the product. And before anything, I will send it a prompt. So basically I will say that I'm building a product ad campaign for a compact handheld percussion massage gun. Right here I can just change the name. So for example, I would want to name it the massager. The audience, people who sit at desk all day, the tone to be premium, and also at the end of every single prompt, I'm also gonna give it the don't change the product shape, proportions, seams, bottom placement or attachment, with no invented logos, no extra text, and no wrapped edges. So right now we can just select the model. So we can use GPT image 2, Sirens 2.0 or Nano Banana. Let's go ahead and use GPT 2 and let's just send it in. And notice what it does before it generates anything. It doesn't just fire off an image, it asks me what the first deliverable actually is. We'll select hero shot, lifestyle, desk, scene, social post, poster, a video ad, or a whole set of variants. So I'm not actually guessing, but I pick the direction. So clean hero shot, and he wants the size 2, so I'll just tell it 4x5 for Instagram. And while that builds, this is the part people miss. It locked my actual product as the source of truth, so every asset after this is the same gun, same shape, same gold strip, and the same ring. Now the background. This is touch edit, and I'm not describing anything in a prompt. I hold Control and click the thing that I don't want. It grabs the exact part and drops it straight into the chat. Then I just tell it to remove this. I tap again and it's gone. I don't need to mask, no layers, and no Photoshop. And for a second fix, the product is sitting off the side and I don't need a prompt for this either. I just click the image and the options come up right off top. So I have upscale, remove background, edit text, multi-angles, and the one that I want is the move object. So I just draw around it, drag it where I want it, and Lovart fills behind it automatically. Now we have third image, so it has it centered. For the relight, we're going to be using with this prompt. So I'll say relight the scene, keep the same wooden desk, but replace the purple RGB cast with clean neutral studio light. So just let's send that in. Fantastic result, to be honest. So the scene is now lit with clean neutral studio light, soft key from the upper left, and a rim highlight catching the chrome. As you guys can see from right here, it looks pretty nice. So especially side to side, you can see also the RGB is no longer there and it looks way more professional. Now we also have the hero ad layout. So Basically, it does not have any sort of label, and we can actually open and edit our own inside it. So for the fourth adjustment, for the fourth edit, I'll say that turn this into a hero product ad of 4 by 5 vertical surface and add a headline in the top third and the one line subhead beneath it and a small price badge in the lower right. So let's just send this in as well. Now it has given us two ways to move forward because it cannot generate a PCD file, basically a Photoshop file. So we can have two ways of moving forward: a flat ad with text baked in, I name the price and the badge and that's it, or it can generate a clean base image only, where we can also regenerate and put in ourselves the typography with full editable layers. So you can use Photoshop or you can say whatever, but for this we'll just leave it as blank. So let's go for the flat ad. Just say that and it will automatically go ahead and generate the photo. So basically I have told it that the headline is tension deleted and the subhead should be deep tissue percussion relief for people who sit at all day, and the price badge of $29.99. Wow, this actually looks amazing. So tension deleted deep tissue percussion relief for people who sit all day, and we have the price right here. Now for this ad we'll just leave it as is and we'll go for the next text edit. So say that I want to change the label or add a promo line. Normally that means going back to whoever designed it, but in Lovart you just keep and add the text and edit it directly so it stays on its own layer so nothing else breaks. You can also click on the image that you have generated and we have a bunch of features right here. So upscale, remove background, eraser, edit elements, and edit text. Now we're gonna be editing the text right here. It will scan the image for text and you can go ahead and directly manage and edit the text. So for example, we can say massage now, and for the lower text we can just remove that and let's run it to see what it generates. And as you guys can see, edit text, there you go, we have it right here. Looks awesome. Okay, this looks pretty good as well. Now we can also give it the same layout but with three alternative headlines. So I'll just go ahead and say give me the same layout with three alternative headlines. So we have tension deleted, notes don't stand a chance, and recovery desk size. Nothing else changes, just send that in. So on, we have some pretty good progress. As you guys can see, we went from this photo right here to this one, to this one, this one with professional lighting, with the already looking professional ad right here, another version of it, and right now we still have three more alternatives which are still generating. Same way we have the multi-angle, so you can select the object, so you can move the object to see how the angle looks. You can also select it by camera, so this is the camera right here, and you can select in what kind of angle you want it to rotate and tilt, even the scale. So you can close up, medium, and wide. For this one we'll just go for close up, and this would be the rotation and tilt, and we'll just click on run it. And as you guys can see, it has generated the multi-angle. Again, looks pretty nice. Again, if you want to, you can regenerate it, let's say in this angle right here. So from the top, just click on run, and there you go, another multi-angle. Now I will also use the brand kit. So I will basically give it my brand colors. So I have them right here in hex with base, fonts, space, and enter for body and logo in order to create a badge and the headline in the font that I want to. So just go ahead and send that in as well. So we have pretty much a bunch of photos right now that we can use. So we have close-ups, narrow, the side profile, which all of them look amazing. So it added our logo in, so you have it right here, my logo, which is locked in all day, and it looks like the same campaign because it kind of is the same campaign but only with the logo. Right now we can also create a cinematic upgrade, so let's go ahead and paste in the last prompt in order to take the hero image and turn it into a 5-second cinematic product ad and slow push in on the massage gun, a light sweep traveling across, and we'll go for the video gen, and we'll just let the agent choose for us. For the images, basically we have everything on auto. Let's just go ahead and send it in, and it's done. It has generated a 5-second cinematic product ad, which is now right here. We can view it, and it basically did what we asked it to do, which is pretty nice. And also, if you want it to be reframed for 4x5 or vertical 9x16 for social media, you just say to do that and it will do it. Now, as you guys can see from right here, we went from basically this ugly photo that I took on my desk to a cleaner version, a centered version, a version that looks premium lit on with no RGB, basically nothing to distract you from, to this infographic, which is right here, which looks pretty nice. We have everything in right here. Subliner, another version, a couple of other versions right here. Multi angles. Now we have here the video, some multi angles right here, our logos, and overall the campaign looks pretty nice. And we only used like 400 credits, 450 credits, which is pretty cool. If you run a small business and the product photos are holding you back, then this is going to be the unlock. Lovart starts at $19 a month, and the link is going down in the description. I'm also going to be dropping some free credits if you want to try it for yourself. You can try it with your ugliest photos, and I'm sure that Lovart will do a great result. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. All the links will be down in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.